What's going on, friends? Jack here, and today we're doing a little bit of an update video. I know it's been actually quite a while since I did one of these, but I want to tell you guys more about my plans because after all, what this channel really is about is documenting my journey and really just trying to motivate you guys to get the things you want in your lives by showing you that I'm pretty much taking action every day to get the things I want in my life. So I know that's a pretty generic statement for a print-on-demand or online entrepreneurship channel, but I do want to help you guys as much as I can, and the best way I think I can do that is just to share my experiences and basically give them to you as they are and not try to alter what's really happening. So the reason I'm making this update video is because recently I have slowed down on my print-on-demand business and I've been taking more time in putting into my YouTube channel and my Amazon KDP business. Back in December, I actually noted that I was going to start doing 20 designs a day, continue to do 20 designs a day and upload them to places like Redbubble and TeePublic. However, since then I've realized that rather than doing 20 designs a day, I've scaled back on the quality. I've been doing 5 designs a day and also uploading them to Etsy, and I would do 20 designs a day. However, automatic uploads to Etsy aren't really a thing. I have to do my own mockups because I want good mockups for all my listings, and I also have to pick keywords wisely and do my own SEO for each listing. So doing 20 a day would just take a lot of time, and pretty much all that time that it would take, I could do it, but then it would be a lot less time to do YouTube and my Amazon KDP business. And I am really trying to build up Amazon KDP right now because I am not on Amazon merch. Amazon KDP is almost the next powerful thing in my arsenal in terms of selling online and doing it for pretty much free. If you guys are into print-on-demand and you don't know what Amazon KDP is, pretty much you can publish books. And what I've been doing so far, I've just been publishing my t-shirt designs on the journal covers and uploading blank journals, and I've actually sold like 10 journals in the past month, which is pretty cool considering they're very basic designs, nothing crazy. However, I do want to invest more time to actually making low content books like activity books and puzzles. So be on the lookout for that. I'm probably going to start making more KDP content because that is something that does also really interest me. But for now, I'm also going to be making lots of print-on-demand content, so don't leave. However, let me know if you guys would want one over the other because I really do like KDP. I think it's a great platform. It's similar to Amazon merch in the fact that it's on Amazon, so the power of the sales you can get on there are massive. And even though my profits on my journals are like $1, if I can make a couple hundred sales a day, which is definitely possible because there are plenty of people even on YouTube doing it, then that could be another huge source of passive income. So the main reason I'm making this video though is just to tell you guys that sometimes I'll have goals and ideas, but they can change, right? Or the goals shouldn't change. My overall goal is still to make a full-time income from online business, right? So between YouTube, Amazon KDP, print-on-demand, and whatever else comes into my scope, but the goal has always been the same thing. And what I want to tell you guys is that your goal should be set high, and you shouldn't have to change your goal. You should set a goal and then find a way to get to it. Sometimes you might have to change things in your plan, which is what I'm doing. However, that's okay, and honestly, as long as you're not settling and downgrading your goal, you're going to be able to push through and do more for yourself. I do have some different type of content coming to the channel, which I'm pretty excited about. It's not going to be directly print-on-demand or directly Amazon KDP. It's actually just going to be more of a general video about making money online, but it's going to be a more entertainment-based video, which I think you guys will also like. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be coming next week, and I'm going to be trying to basically incorporate different things into my channel, try new things, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. As always, your feedback is greatly appreciated. But it's been a few weeks since I did one of these videos, and after all, this channel is supposed to be about documenting my journey and telling you guys what's going on, so I don't want to hold back from you what I've been doing, what I've been up to. I want to be transparent about that, and YouTube is definitely something that takes a priority over certain things in my online scene because obviously YouTube is a great way to make money too, and I really do like running this channel. I like making videos, and I like talking to you guys. It's pretty awesome. It's probably the most fun thing I've done online this year in terms of making money, and the fact that I do make money from YouTube is pretty crazy. I might actually do a video on my YouTube earnings, but it hasn't been anything crazy so far. I just want to keep you guys updated that YouTube obviously is one of my sources of passive income, although it's not really passive, it's pretty active because I do make videos every single day. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos, supporting them. It means the world to me, and yeah, I really just do appreciate your support a ton. But I also want to provide value to you guys, because the reason you're watching this channel is so you get something from it, and that's why I want to put out these type of videos too, to kind of motivate you, to show you that, you know, everything is not super easy, or everything is not as it always seems, and really there are a lot of things that go on behind the scenes that most people don't see or even think about, and they think they just have to be exactly like someone else to get to where they want to go. But that's not the case. Honestly, most people should just focus on themselves and, you know, see what they can do better, see what they want for themselves, because not everyone wants the same things. It's kind of weird to think about, but not everyone wants to be a millionaire. Not everyone wants that brand new car. Different people have different desires, and that's why I think this video is just cool, because I just wanted to make a video about, you know, talking to you guys, where someone else on another channel might be like, I don't want to do that, I'll never want to do that, so they don't make the video. And that's fine, because everyone has different desires on how they want to present their channel, how they want to construct their content, and that's like the beauty of YouTube, that's the beauty of online business, is you can do it however you want to do it. So yeah, one of these short update videos, and I just wanted to put it out there because it's been a while since I did one of these. If you guys have any content ideas that you want down in the description, even if they're entertainment based, put them down there, because I'd love to make some unique and new style of content as well. And if you guys have something in mind, let me know. But if you made it to this point of the video, comment down below my dreams, your dreams, and let me know that you liked the video. If you did, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's been your friend Jack. Peace out.